Boombrush, and right now it's like 8:50 p.m. and I'll show you my birthday presents. Okay, well, not really presents, but money, I should say. All I got was $50, another $50, another $50, another, no, just kidding, and then I got a $20. So that's $170. But if you want to know what Australian money looks like, Australian $50 bill at least, they have these little security windows because we're way better than you see. See, that's the money. Here, look, you can see around my bedroom. Yay! Alright, sample these. See through. And no, I do not sleep with that poo bear. This is weird. Oops. Anyway. Yeah. Now I'll tell you more information. That's a weird guy. I don't know who he is. Oh, I should say down here. What does it say? Stupid iPod Focus. I'll just read it. David. Where does it say that? Under his tie. It's just tied there. Come on. David. Looks like Unipeon, I don't know. Anyway, that's, and on the other side is this woman, with a security window with, and is that just mirrors that like something reflected? Oh, and if you look here, like if I angle my iPod, downward angle, as you can see, it shadows on my bed. And if you actually run your finger across, you can feel the number 50 encrypted in it. I don't know if it's for that, this. Yep, it's for the $20 one as well. Now, that's if you haven't seen Australian money. But, yes, so this currently makes me rich. Yeah, I'm richer than whoever's the richest in the world. Oh, we'll see you guys later. Yay! What? But tell me what you got for your birthday, if you've had yours so far. There. Crack my knuckles and tell me what you got for your birthday if you've already had it. Alright, see you guys later. Bye. And I miss you all. Miss recording on my computer with this crappy video camera.